opposites are simply contrasting elements that we find in different aspects of life. Success and failure are intertwined, two sides of the same coin. The interconnectedness of opposites reminds us that life is a delicate balance. It teaches us that embracing both sides is essential for growth and harmony. Opposites also shape our relationship. Love and hate, trust and betrayal, friendship and conflict, they all exist within the spectrum of human connections. By acknowledging and accepting the presence of opposites, we gain a more profound perspective on the world and our place within it.